Hey, hi, hello and welcome back guys to today's video of putting up a curtain rail and using a drill. What you'll need is obviously one curtain rail, one level, two, and then of course you're going to need your tape measure, drill bits, and then of course your trusty drill. So you're going to put the curtain rail up, and I'll need my lovely assistant to help me again. Okay guys, so when you're establishing the height, make sure that your height that you're putting your curtain rail matches the height or the length of your curtains that you're putting up. So we've established ours at 10 centimeters from the top here above this wall piece. So you need to make sure that it's equal on each distance, so 10 centimeters on either corner. So here we're making sure that end to end here is 10 centimeters. Perfect. Alright, so now you start making your pencil marks.
It's
9.5.
From the end.
Yes, from the end to end.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, it's 9.5.
Let's keep it there, please. A little bit lower.
Now we drill. So once you've done all of your measurements, you've put your little pencil holes, we're now going to get down to the drilling parts. Remember, respect the drill. It's still not your friend. It's your first time or your second time using it. Don't be cocky. Check on the plastic wrapper for the curtain rail itself. It does state here that it uses a 5.5mm drill bit. The screws are also quite a bit shorter. So what you guys need to do for that is then measure the screw, as we said, to the drill bit, and then just take a bit of tape, like there, and place it there so that you know when to stop drilling while drilling. Perpendicular to the wall, 90 degrees. Start slow, make a mark first. Okay guys, so once you've drilled the holes, put your plastic boobity things on, you're going to now fasten the curtain rail to the wall. I like these steel clips, by the way. So you'll see that these ones come standard here with 25, but I think we're going to need to put a few more on, so I've got a pack of these little roller funny jobby thingies that slide up on the side. I don't like the original ones that come with it. They're pretty flimsy, especially if you're putting a lockout heavy curtain on. I got these ones from Volpez. They're pretty secure and they've got like an extra blue runner thingy at the top, which is really, really nice. And it just gives it that extra security. See this little plastic bobbity boobity thing here? You just pop it off on the side and you rail in. Alright guys, so we're going to put 7 on this side, 8 on that side just to balance it out, because we already have these which are currently on the rack. We've placed all the roll thingies we're going to use now to hook it. Make sure that all the pleats are well balanced out so that it's not bunched up and doesn't look like it's pulled either to one side. Once you have that done, like this, so you'll see there's little strings here on the side. You're going to pull this to make it tight, loosen it to go through. You're going to count each pleat in the curtain. And I've counted 78. Every 4th line will be placing one of these steel baboop-bat thingies, which is going to be holding the curtain in place on the rack. You're going to take it in the middle parts here, you're going to count every 4th one, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th one, put it in, you loop it in from the bottom, twist it around, okay, that'll do like I did now. You've got to put one in at the end here, guys. So you have to put one in place here. This is the last end piece. Don't just add one to the curtain rail, otherwise it's going to move the whole curtain every time you open and close it. And there you go, guys. That's how to put up a curtain rail, drill the holes, put in some rollers into the curtain rail itself. Remember to buy proper ones, guys. You don't want to buy cheap. You see we put steel clips on. These are just a lot more durable and they will last a hell of a lot longer than the plastic ones. Thanks for watching and enjoy setting up your new curtain rail and putting up your curtains.